Your bank is paying you 0.2% on your savings. Inflation is running at 3%. Do the math. Every single month you leave money in that account, you are getting poorer, not staying the same, poorer. And here is the part that should make you angry. Your bank knows this. Their economists track inflation daily. Their executives get bonuses based on the gap between what they pay you and what they charge others. The interest rate on your savings account is not a coincidence. It is a business decision, made at your expense today. I'm going to show you exactly how this works. The mechanism your bank uses to quietly drain your purchasing power every single month. Why the savings account was never designed to build wealth, and what people who actually build wealth do instead. Here's the metaphor I want you to hold for this entire video. Imagine a bucket with a hole in the bottom. Every month you add water, you are disciplined. You never miss a month. But the hole is always draining. Slowly, quietly. You cannot see it happening. But every year the bucket is a little lighter than it should be. That bucket is your savings account. The hole is inflation, and your bank put the hole there, not by accident, but because the water that drains out of your bucket flows directly into theirs. The savings account was sold to you as safety. What it actually is a very slow, very polite transfer of wealth, from you to them. Let me show you the real numbers. Sarah saves $1,000 every month. She puts it in her bank savings account, earning 0.2% annually. She is disciplined. She never touches it. After 10 years, Sarah has saved $120,000. With interest, her account shows $121,204. She feels good about this, but here is what Sarah does not see. Inflation averaged 3% over those same 10 years. In real purchasing power, what her money can actually buy, her $121,204 is worth only $90,100 in today's dollars. Sarah saved $120,000. She lost $30,000 in real wealth, while doing everything right. Now meet David. Same income, same $1,000 per month, but David puts his money in a high-yield savings account earning 4.5%. which is what competitive accounts paid in 2024 and 2025. After 10 years, David has $150,800 in real purchasing power. After inflation, David has $112,000. Same discipline, same amount. Sarah lost $30,000 in real wealth. David gained $12,000. The difference is not intelligence. The difference is one conversation with one search engine that took 4 minutes. So how does this system actually work? Here are the 5 layers. Layer 1. The interest rate illusion. Your bank advertises 0.2% as if it is a feature, a benefit, peace of mind. What they do not advertise is that they take your deposits and lend them out at 7, 8, 9, sometimes 20% to other customers. The spread between what they pay you and what they charge others is their entire business model. You are the raw material. Layer 2. The convenience trap. Your savings account is in the same app as your checking account. One tap away. That convenience is not an accident. Friction protects savings. No friction means no savings. The bank designed the product to be easy to spend because every time you dip into savings, you reset your progress and stay dependent on their system longer. Layer 3. The safety illusion. Savings accounts feel safe because the number never goes down. But safety is not the same as value. A number that stays the same while inflation rises is a number that is quietly losing. The bank lets you feel safe while your purchasing power erodes. Safe and poor is still poor. Layer 4. The loyalty penalty. Banks consistently offer their best rates to new customers, not existing ones. If you have been with the same bank for 10 years, you are almost certainly earning less than someone who opened an account last week. Loyalty in banking is not rewarded, it is exploited. Layer 5. The complexity shield. When you ask your bank why their savings rate is so low, they will talk about Federal Reserve policy, market conditions, liquidity requirements. The explanation is designed to be confusing enough that you nod and leave. The answer is actually simple. They pay you as little as you will accept, and most people accept whatever they are given. If nobody has ever explained banking this way to you before, subscribe. Because this is one video in a series on exactly how the financial system quietly takes from working people. And the next video goes even deeper. Let me show you what this looks like in one real life. Michael is 28 years old. He earns $52,000 a year. He saves $400 every month, which is genuinely disciplined for his income level. He has been doing this for 3 years. His savings account shows $14,500. He feels responsible. He feels ahead of most people his age. What Michael does not know is that in real purchasing power, his $14,500 is worth about $13,200. He saved $14,400 and lost $1,200 in real wealth. In 3 years of perfect discipline, Michael does one thing differently. He spends 20 minutes opening a high-yield savings account at a separate institution. He sets up an automatic transfer of $400 on payday. Same amount, different destination. Year 1. Michael has $4,900 in his new account, earning 4.5% versus $4,820 in his old account. Year 3. Michael has $15,800 versus $14,500. That is $1,300 more from one 20-minute decision. Year 10. Michael has $59,100 versus $49,200. That is $9,900 more from the same discipline, the same income, the same $400 every month. The bank counted on Michael never making that 20-minute decision. Most people never do. 3 things you can do this week. First, find out exactly what your savings account is paying you right now. Log in, find the APY, annual percentage yield. If it is below 1%, you are in a legacy account designed for the bank's benefit, not yours. Write that number down. Second, search Best High-Yield Savings Accounts 2026. You will find accounts paying between 4% and 5% with no minimum balance and no fees. The entire process of opening one takes less than 10 minutes online. This is not complicated. It is just something the bank hopes you never do. Third, separate your savings from your checking account. Different institution, different app, different login. The friction this creates is the entire point. When your savings require a 2-day transfer to access, you stop treating them as spending money. The bucket stops leaking. Your bank is not evil, it is a business. And like every business, it charges you as much as you are willing to pay. For years you have been willing to pay with your purchasing power. That stops today. The quiet theft does not announce itself. It never does. But now you know where to look.